Chamomile tea, with its delicate floral aroma and apple-tinged flavor, has been cherished for centuries as a soothing beverage. Its popularity stems from its gentle nature and wide array of potential health benefits. Often associated with relaxation and sleep enhancement, chamomile's benefits extend far beyond a peaceful night's rest. Chamomile's calming properties have earned it a place in traditional medicine across cultures. From ancient Egypt to modern-day herbalists, this humble flower has been revered for its ability to ease a variety of ailments. Whether enjoyed as a warm beverage before bedtime or incorporated into aromatherapy practices, chamomile offers a sense of tranquility and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common, often leading to sleep disturbances. Chamomile tea, with its natural calming properties, can help manage these challenges. The key lies in its unique chemical composition. Chamomile contains antioxidants like apigenin, known for calming effects. Apigenin promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. Chamomile is a safe alternative to sleep aids. It may also improve sleep quality. Studies suggest chamomile promotes deeper, restful sleep. By reducing stress, chamomile prepares the body for restorative slumber. Beyond its calming effects, chamomile has long been recognized for its soothing properties on the digestive system. Traditionally used to ease digestive discomfort, chamomile tea can be a gentle and effective remedy for a variety of stomach ailments. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, providing relief from indigestion, bloating, and gas. Chamomile's ability to soothe the stomach lining makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive stomachs or conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Its gentle nature helps calm the digestive system, reducing spasms and promoting regularity. Furthermore, chamomile may help protect against stomach ulcers by inhibiting the growth of Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria known to contribute to ulcer formation. While more research is needed in this area, preliminary studies suggest that chamomile may play a role in supporting digestive health. Section 4. Beyond relaxation, chamomile and overall wellness. Chamomile is known for its calming and digestive benefits, but it offers more. Research suggests chamomile may support blood sugar control and boost the immune system. It may help regulate blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes. Chamomile's antioxidants help protect the body from free radicals. This may strengthen the body's defenses against illness. Section 5. Chamomile precautions and potential side effects. While chamomile tea is generally safe for most individuals when consumed in moderation, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to chamomile, particularly those allergic to ragweed or other plants in the daisy family. Allergic reactions to chamomile can range from mild skin irritations to more severe symptoms, such as difficulty breathing or swelling of the face, lips, or tongue. If you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming chamomile tea, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. It's also important to note that chamomile may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, sedatives, and medications for high blood pressure or diabetes. If you're taking any medications, consult with your healthcare provider before adding chamomile tea to your diet. Section 6. Exploring other herbal infusions, a world of flavors and benefits. Chamomile tea is just one of many herbal infusions that offer a myriad of health benefits. From the invigorating properties of peppermint tea to the digestive support of ginger tea, the world of herbal teas provides a diverse range of flavors and therapeutic properties to explore. If you're looking for a caffeine-free alternative to coffee or black tea, herbal teas can be a delicious and healthy choice. Experiment with different blends and discover the unique flavors and benefits that each herb has to offer. Remember to purchase high-quality herbal teas from reputable brands to ensure purity and potency. Whether you're seeking relaxation, digestive support, or simply a flavorful beverage, the world of herbal teas offers a treasure trove of options to enhance your well-being.